Hello. Welcome everyone. It is Friday and I'm back with some more of this. Whatever the heck this is. This is today's drawing. It is I don't know. I don't really know what this is. Some kind of unfinished drawing of my face, perhaps. It's literally right there. It fits perfectly. Alright, this is gonna be on the screen. I'm gonna put this maybe like over here, and then I put myself here, and then I start welcoming people. You already know. Okay. Welcome Incognito, welcome Hamflow, welcome Stream Elements, Hamp, Denchi, Eduardbra, El Gato Dev, Devins, and Scarlet Rook, and it's everyone. That's everyone. Unless I missed someone. I might have not said someone's name. If I did, if I didn't, then that was a mistake. I totally missed it. But I'm pretty sure I mentioned everyone. Anyway, since last time, you might be like, Wolfie, what have you done since last time? Well, I have added new sprites. Okay, new graphics. Look at this. We got idle animation. We've got push animation. When you press against a wall, you're pushing. When you're running, you know, this is a more advanced run animation. Okay, look at this. Check this out. Can I zoom in here? It's so advanced. Yes, I figured out how to do animation. This is so much smoother than before, right? Last time I had 3 frames. Now it's like 5 or whatever. It's so smooth. And then you look at this one, the pushing animation. You were pushing against the wall. Got an idle animation. Also welcome Michael, if I did not already welcome you. You got a jumping animation, which is just 1 frame. And then animation when you're falling. You're falling, and then an animation when you've just landed. You gotta have the squash and stretch. You barely notice this because it plays for 1 frame, but I think it looks quite good. Yeah, idle animation. And then here's what it looks like when it's in motion. It's gonna look so good. There's some weird pixel relate. Oh, did I export something? That's alright. I imported a wrong thing. Also, I found out you can import straight from Sprite. You don't have to export PNGs. You don't have to export a sprite sheet and then import it. It literally just works. It could just work. There is a plugin called Sprite Wizard, and it will import all your animation. And I think that is quite cool. Welcome Slime Molder. Look at this. I've saved the file, and then all you gotta do, you gotta go into the player scene. You click on the animated sprite. It tells you that the sprite file has changed. You click import. Look at this. We had like a pixel here. I was testing to see if it worked. And look, it's fixed. It's literally, we have all our animations here. Literally all of them. Okay, and then when we click on play, we have our animation jumping. Look at this. He's fallen. Look at how dynamic that looks. Looks so smooth. You push against the wall. Look at that. Wow. Wow. You can jump. You can be jumping. Just jumping out there. Anyway, I noticed apparently I try to make this pixel perfect in the sense that, you know how earlier when I was doing this in the previous stream, sometimes you could like walk between pixels and it looked kind of weird. I mean, it didn't really look weird, but it was a bit weird in my opinion to be able to have sub-pixel movement. But I found out it's like very hard to get Godot to be pixel perfect. There's a lot of bugs that show up. Camera's not being smooth, and sometimes if you stand on certain pixel coordinates, the texture gets all messed up. I don't know. What's the gameplay loop gonna look like? I don't even know. Last time I mentioned, there's like a few different types of games that I could consider making. There are those like 1-button games where like, it's like the offline dinosaur game, right? Where things are coming at you and you like, all you gotta do is jump. Sometimes you can move left and right. There's some that are like Shy Guy Surfing. It's like obstacles start coming at you and then you like gotta jump over them, you get power-ups. And then there's some other ones where it's like your character always like moves left and right. When they hit a wall, they turn around, and then you just gotta press jump at a certain time, and then you could be jumping. Will I make a speedrun option? Probably not. Anyway, another thing you may notice is that I have changed. Last time I was trying to program all that fancy stuff, like coyote time, jump buffering, and all that. We still have that. But look at this. This is coyote time. When you fall off a platform, you can still jump if you have fallen off in a certain amount of time. Look at that. It's there. And then jump buffering. If you press the button right before you hit the ground, you can still, it'll trigger the jump immediately. Saw that in YouTube Shorts. It's good. It's a good thing to add. There's also, you can hold jump to go higher, but I've not enabled that. But basically what I did, last time I tried coding this and it was a mess, it was very annoying. And since then, I simply copied someone else's code. It's right, this guy is out here copying code. Can you believe this? But now it looks good. You can configure things in the editor. Do you know this? You can define export groups. You can adjust your jump height dynamically as the editor is running. Look at this. You run the game. We have our jump, and then look at this. We set the jump height to 48, and then look at, whoa, he's jumping so much higher. You could be changing things on the fly. You could change it so that it takes longer to reach the top of your jump. Look at how slow that is. But you could set it. And what if you go to like a space level? You could do this. You could reset it. Set the jump height. What if I set it to negative? That's not possible. It's actually, I guess it is possible. Well, what if it was -100? Nope, okay, it just launches you. I don't know why it just launches you. Apparently that's what it does. You can set things such as max air jumps. You can double jump. You could be jumping twice in the air. You could reset the jump. You can also set the variable I can't even talk. Variable jump height. You can make it so that when you hold on to the jump button, you jump up higher. If you let go, you simply look at this. We jump if you just tap the jump button, you jump up to here. If you hold it, you can jump up to there. You could also make it even heavier. Actually, it's the same. I don't really understand the stuff. You could set coyote time to be like a larger number so that when you fall off, you know, you have more time in which your jump is still valid. You have the jump buffer interval so that, you know, if you press a jump 0.3 seconds before you hit the ground, it still counts it. Is coyote time from Coyote Cartoon? It sure is. You know, I realized I never actually explained that in the last stream when I was explaining it. Yes, it is from Wile E. Coyote, where when he walks off a cliff, he stays in the air for a while before he falls down. And that is basically what that is. You can be jumping even when you're in the air. That's how it is. That's funny. It's the commonly accepted terminology. Everyone understands. Literally everyone. Anyway, I think it's very cool. Look at this. The pushing animation. You're stuck on a wall and you're pushing against it. Look at this. When you're jumping, you know, it's a little bouncy animation. You land, you can barely see the landing animation. Welcome, Casanova. Can we use more funny names? What is another example? I'm sure there are. Denchi, what is your question? I will answer many questions. Also, where did this code come from? I've linked it right here. It is from the Game Developer Toolkit. It's going to be this one. They explain how they do it. And I just copied this. This was written for Unity. I basically translated it into Godot. And one thing specifically that is different between Unity and Godot is that gravity, X and Y, sorry, the Y direction is inverted. Did you know that? In Unity, if you have increasing Y values, it means you're going up. Because I guess it's like you're on the floor and then you're going, I don't know. But then in Godot, it's like the opposite. If you have positive Y velocity, you're going down. So I didn't realize that until I started writing the code, and then I was like, why isn't it working? And then I just had to make things negative, and then it worked. And that's good. Am I gonna add the Wolfieverse characters to the game, such as the bear and the rat? I don't actually know if this is gonna be the final thing. Like, at the moment, I feel like this is just placeholder graphics. Because, like, I don't know. Why would I make a game about myself? What if I simply, you know, made a game and then at the very end reskinned it to another VTuber so that then they could be like, oh, cool, what? He made a game for me specifically? Surely he didn't just make it with placeholder graphics and then at the very end he just reskinned it to be my character. He would never do that. He made this for me. And then they play it on stream and they're like, whoa, this is so cool. Whoa, Wolfie, you're so cool. Oh my god. That's how people do it. That's how you market your game. You have an audience that already, you know, they're gonna play it because it's a game about them. I don't know. I'm probably gonna make some kind of game. I don't know. I have not determined yet. Could be a game of some kind. Like Doki Doki Panic. Exactly. Exactly. That's the one with the literature club. That's literally what it is. I'm just kidding. I know what you mean. Super Mario Bros 2 is not even the same. You may not be able to see the squish animation, but your brain did. Yeah, you could, if you pause right there, you could see it. Okay, you'll notice the sprite at some point squishes, but you can't really determine when. And then if I were to remove it, you'd be like, oh, something looks weird. Something looks so different about this. What happened to the squishing animation? Just land it. If I don't do this, if I update this to be idle, the idle animation, and then I save it. I have to reload the game actually because that's how it works. Look, it looks slightly different, right? There's no squish. What's up with that? It's so weird. So weird that there's no dynamic movement. I barely notice, honestly, but maybe you notice. The knower. Why don't you add different characters? Because I guess at some point I will have to add enemies. I've not determined yet what I'm going to do. I don't even know what I'm doing this stream. I just thought it'd be cool to show you all. Look at this. We got new sprites. We got adjustments in the settings panel. Also, welcome Nutritious. Who are your enemies? That's the thing. I don't know. I don't know. It's funny how animation properties are addressed using hard-coded strings. Yeah. No, but they do autocomplete though. See, if you start typing it... Well, okay, I thought it did. Does it not? Okay, I'm pretty sure it did. At some point when I tried this, it did suggest your existing animations. Anyway, I also figured out how to get this so that I can edit in Vim instead. But this is a weird setup because my Vim is configured in in the Windows subsystem for Linux, and I'm running Godot, like, you know, the Windows version, and so like it can't really send the things between, you know, the different systems because they're expecting file paths to be Windows, and this one's trying to load it as, you know, Linux file paths. It doesn't work, okay? But on my personal setup, on my computer that I actually use, it works. I can't do it here, so this is not as fast as I can type normally. Do the traditional streamer thing and have chat as your enemies? Why would they? What even would my chat even look like? What even would the chat be? Who's even out there chatting as my enemy? Could be spam bots. Sometimes there's spam bots. Anyway, we got the player animation. Look at this animated sprite. Go to the idle animation, the 2-frame animation. He's idling right now. Chat can spawn in as rats, but why would the rats be my enemies? Why would they even be enemies? Krats. Charats. The bear from fishing. Denchi did mention that. It's the final boss. Why is this stuck on this animation? Oh, it's because I didn't save. If you save this here, what if I click pause and then I go here and then I save and then in the view it's there? What if I drew a unique character for each person? That's crazy. That's too much effort. I think I need to start adding some tiles. I could consider this stream. I could learn about moving platforms, perhaps. Did I welcome Muffin? Welcome. Germa. Germa is not even real. Why would Germa even be real, guys? I don't even understand. Anyway, this is tile sets. Let me set the layer properties. What was it? View, grid settings. It's already there. Neither is the bear. The bear is real, okay? Not in this game. Put Northern Line and Germa in the game. No. Now, okay, if I were to make a game, the water looks weird. This isn't water. This is the sky. You think I'm in the water? Also, let me show you the tile set editing. I've learned you can have multiple layers. All the tutorials talk about like a tile map, but then if you try to use tile map, it says it's deprecated and to use a tile map layer instead. And I started using it and it makes sense. And I think that's cool. Should make some water. Should I though? Maybe at some point I will. Anyway, you can select your tile, start drawing. Click on this. Draw this. Oh, you gotta look, it's not even there. You gotta use this tool. I should add a power block. What kind of power-ups would I even have? Oh, you know what would be cool? A dashing ability, like in Celeste. You could be dashing, move horizontally. What if I just add that right now? Literally, it's so easy, guys. Just go to your project settings, add a input map, add a action button. An action button, which will be the X key, perhaps. And then you check, okay, if oh no, I need to adjust some things because we have our velocity set here. That doesn't work. That's not gonna work. I should add yeah, 400 different Wolfies. You could think of some ideas for different power-ups. No, there's too much. See, you're thinking that I'm making this game about myself. I already told you my plan. All right, I'm gonna reskin all of these to be someone else, and then other people will actually be interested. Actually, something that was surprising to me was that a lot of people watch my VOD on YouTube, the last stream that I did. I guess people are looking up Godot 2D platformer tutorial or whatever, and they find my video. I'm surprised that people actually watch it because it's like 3 hours of me just failing to figure out why my code is not working. Like, is that even fun? Is that even fun to watch? Like, I get it that it's like sometimes it's fun to watch live, but if you're trying to learn Godot and you just see like a 3-hour video of someone just, you know, they're like, I renamed my file and the things aren't loading, then like, what are you getting from that? Nothing. That's right, nothing. But you know, that's the meta. You just gotta start doing things that people are interested in, and then they watch it. I can reskin the different Wolfie to them. That is true. But then wouldn't the power-ups need to be specific to my thing? And then if it's like not specific to them, they're like, why do I have this power-up? This doesn't make any sense for me. Have the benefit of being current. Does it though? I guess it is true. Some of the tutorials are outdated. But then they get to watch me struggle through them. They're like, oh, it's not working for me. How does he do it? And they watch it and he's like, he doesn't know. He also doesn't know. He literally doesn't know. What I mean is the different Wolfies I drew over 2024 were just Wolfies with different things. Yeah, but what about the other things? What about the other people? They have no such thing. They don't even know. Okay, what if I add sloped platforms? Have you considered this? What if I have a platform, but it is like this? And then we can try to add some, so I keep pressing the wrong buttons because I'm used to the Mac controls. It's like this. And then, also I'm using the Sprite tile editor. Did you know that Sprite has this? It has a tile map. You can use this to test your tiles. You could add, you know, these. And then when you make a change to one of these, it changes all of them. It's crazy. How is that even possible? How is this even a thing? Modify, and then look at this. If I go here, that is not how you do it. You gotta go here. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Michael knew. He's an expert. He knows all the Sprite things. But I think this is very useful for like testing that your patterns look cohesive. Welcome, Razul. Well, well, well. It isn't the Wolfie. It's not though. It's not the Wolfie. You have 200 hours in Sprite? What are you doing? I didn't even know that you did art. Drawing? Are you posting these? Are you using these on your stream? If it isn't the waffle... Oh, you said waffle. I even misread that as Wolfie. It's not even the waffle. This guy doesn't even know. Bro doesn't even aware. Alright, how do I make the grass? Does anyone know how to make the grass? You could be doing this. Okay, look at this. You got this one right there, and then you got the other, right? The sloped tile going up. Got some of this, and also some of this. I was working art for a few games. You worked on games. I didn't even know this. I was not even aware. This guy's out there doing things, and I don't even know. Have you ever made a game? Got 166 hours, but barely made anything, leaving it on in the background. This guy he's idling just like in TF2 to get his hat drops. Can you believe this guy? I can't believe it. When is the last time I ate a waffle? It's been a while. I don't know. I do have Eggos in my freezer though. At some point I will eat them. But for now, I don't know. Made is a bit of an overstatement. I've worked on some. He has worked on games. This guy, game developer. Real game developer in the chat. Okay, I don't know how to make these look good. What if I did this? What if it was like this, guys? Does that look good? This is not even. Okay, I can put this one here. And then this. Is that good? That looks good, right? Surely that looks good. I made a fat bird and a fat elephant from the tutorial. Made a lil, he said lil lily hops. That was about it. Well, that sounds cool though. I think it is cool to make things because then people get to see it and they get to say, wow, that's great. I love it. Love when things are made. Welcome, Nano Dan. I was always thinking about his cat Bean and Wires. You know, his second cat Wires. I used to think he had a second cat named Wires before I realized that Wires was from the meme. It's not even the same thing. All right, let's go edit the tile set. Okay, how do we make this thing sloped? We can select this one. This one, selection. You can't do it. Okay, but how do you go to the tile set, right? Tile set is how you do it. You go to setup, you click the tile. Now this tile is active, right? Then you go to paint, right? You go to paint, and then you paint the physics layer, right? And then all you gotta do is you have to click on this. Hold on, click on this one. And then you can drag this guy. Drag. I would like to drag. Edit points tool, right? No, okay. It's not working. Can someone help? Can someone help? Anyone? The game developers in the chat. Why was it doing this? There we go. No, we're good. We're good. Don't worry about it. With those two cats, bean, and wires, exactly. Okay, so we have a diagonal tile now. It's that easy. Okay, and then what you gotta do, you go to your two-dimensional thing, you go to your middle ground layer, and then you go to tile map. Then you click on your tile that you want to add, okay? And all you gotta do is that simple. You just click on paint. Now you have slope tiles. This doesn't look right. Okay, it's because of this, because this shouldn't be here. I also need a tile sort of thing in the middle there so it doesn't look like that. But let's see if we can run up these tiles. We can't. What the? You can't. What the? Bro. Can't even do it. It's not even right. What is he doing? Okay, diagonal tiles. We gotta figure this out. We don't even know. We don't even understand. You go to middle ground. You go to the tile set. Physics layer is there. Okay, but why is this not correct? Why is this not even correct? Oh, do I need to like delete a node? Is this it? I need to like delete this one. Oh, that's what it is. Look at that. Welcome, Stanley. Okay. Yo, he's walking. Oh, look at this. When you fall down, it's like you're bouncing. Oh my god. Look at this. It's like a little slide. But that shouldn't happen though. Why is that happening? It should be smooth downward movement, but it's not. Why is it? Does anyone know? Does anyone even know? Why is he falling like that? Let's make a larger slope so that we can tell. Okay, we gotta go to the middle ground, click on the tile map. Let me make a big slide like this. And then you add all this stuff. Click on this thing and go over there. Click on that guy. And then you have this one right there, right? And then we gotta check. Okay, we go up. We're walking up. Walking up is a bit slower as well. You know, why is it that when we fall, it's like not smooth? Does anyone know? Is anyone even aware? Well, let's look it up. You know, we're learning. Godot, downward slope. What's the word for it? Slippery, downward slope. Gravity, not smooth. Character bouncing when moving down a slope. Exactly. I don't even need to watch the video. I already know. Okay, what's the solution? Try to... Oh, floor snap length property. What is floor snap length property? Move and slide with snap. In 4.x, you need to use move and slide with the floor snap length property. Floor snap length. Set floor snap length. No, this is character body 3D. I want character body 2D. Floor snap length. Set snapping distance. Set to a value different from 1. The body is kept attached to slopes. Snapping vector is determined by the given distance along the opposite direction of up direction. As long as the snapping vector is in contact with the ground and body moves against up direction. Okay, so we simply just have to set floor snap length. So to do that, go to player, go to the script, and then, now is that configurable in editor? Because that would be cool if you could. Go to player, you go to the player sprite, and then floor right there. Oh, snap length is literally right there. Let's set it to like, I don't know, 4. Is that a good value? Crazy how today you can just call floor snap length when 20 years ago you had to make 6 pointers. Can't believe this. Game developers have it so easy. Okay, it's still kind of bouncing. Maybe I need to set it to 8 because the tiles are in fact 8. Okay, that is a bit smoother. It looks it's a bit choppy. What if it was 16? Welcome SRY. See on top left debug visible collision shape. Oh, is it because my collision shape is a capsule? Is that what it is? Hold on, let me check this. I think that looks good. It seems fine, right? Maybe? I don't know. On top left debug. Visible collision shapes. Hey, where's my collision shape? We don't even have my sprite's collision shape. It's not even there. Debug. Canvas item redraws. Whatever. I think it looks fine for now. What if there was a slide animation? I mean, it's kind of like the falling animation. Is there a way to detect whether you're like going down a slope? Is there a thing? No, it should be that'll be a new thing. Okay, we'll add that separately. Okay, so we need to add some another thing here. There's also Godot also has, what is it called? A thing where you can just draw things. It has terrain. It has a automated like tile set, tile map. What is it called? Does anyone know? It's that thing where you just draw and then it's like, oh, you put this here? Well, we're gonna put the grass up there. Oh, you have a horizontal slope? You do this thing right there. I mean, if you're going down the slope, you're going down on Y, but always touching a block. Yes. But like, it's like you're walking down, you know? You're out there walking. Christopher Walken. We should make it so that if you, you can slide down. Right. It's like in Mario, remember in Mario? When he slides down. When you ground pound, what if we had a ground pound? Super Mario? Super Mario? Okay, so we have this, right? We also need to then do this. What made you think about sliding down? Custom video games that I've seen. A lot of video games do it, obviously. No one else has ever come up with this. Alright, how do I move these tiles around? Is that a thing? It's crazy. That's wild. Welcome, Zoe. Okay, we got this. We got the grass. How do we then add? We gotta add. There's like a thing over here, but then we gotta add it to like every one of these. Yes, I know. You gotta like have this thing there. Are you telling me you have to add to all of them? Surely there's a better way, right? There has to be. And then this is where you go, actually, Wolfie, in Godot, you can do this. And I go, whoa, what? That's crazy. I didn't know that. You could just cheat and rotate it? No. That's absurd. Why would anyone do that? Obviously, you have to implement it in every way. How do I like Godot? I think it's quite good. I like the visual editing. I thought originally that I would not be a fan of it. You know, I was like, oh, what the? It's not even using ECS. But the node-based system is kind of nice, actually. Add a new layer on top. Have a corner with grass, but everything else is transparent. I could, but I feel like I don't want to do that. That's how I did it in Crocodile, actually. If I show you my latest Crocodile, I have this one thing where when you load up different tiles or whatever, when it's moving between the wall textures, I have like a little one of these. It's like this, right? This is literally the same thing. I don't think it's that bad. It's not bad. I just don't want to do it that way. I could. But anyway, look at this. Here we have you know, when it's moving up here, I'm using this thing. So I don't have to draw like another one of these in this one. Now it is quite useful. But I don't know. Maybe I could do it that way. But what if I don't want to? For some reason. What if I have no reason? What the? Describe the issue that you had, dear itch app team. No. I don't think I will. Okay, but I think it would be cool to be drawing stuff like this. Welcome Plush Mayhem. Were you also doing game development? You were here last time. Plush Mayhem. Happy Toaster. I know that guy. I knew it. You were also doing Godot. That sounds good. You know, I didn't realize that I actually know who you are. You're the person that makes the plushes. Like after the stream, I was like, wait, who's this guy? And then I was like, oh yeah, they made the plush. It's literally in your name, Plush Mayhem. Yeah, they've made many cool plushes. Check them out. I hope your Godot game dev stream was good. I would have to draw each block with grass. Yes. And I think... Actually, I wonder like how other people handle it. Anyway, sorry, Raiders. I'm working on a game of some kind. I've just added tiles that move diagonally like this. And we have to add the grass over here. How would you do it? If you probably know more game dev than I do. Would you simply add another layer on top where the grass is just like, you just have like here? Or would you have like, you do this one and they have another one where it's like over here? I don't know. Yeah, I've got slopes. I've got jumping animation. I've gotten squash and stretch. I've got wall push animation. I've got adjustable settings. Okay, if you're here, you're stuck. You can't get out of here. Probably the dirt tile with corner of grass. See, that's what I was gonna do. I have to make 2 of them. Actually, just 2 of them is not that bad. I think it should be fine. Is there a way for me to like move these around? Anyone familiar with the tile set stuff? Is there a way to select to move? Just press M. Okay, I could just do that. Okay, you could just do this. Okay, so I will align these. I'll put the sky perhaps in the top here. And then I have this guy there. And then this guy's below it. Okay, and then I just copy this one there. How do I do that? What if I just make a new one? What if I use the brush? Okay, and then this one. And then you go to modify and reuse. No. Modify existing, modify and reuse. Don't modify. So we have this one. It's going to be a new tile. And then we have a new tile here. And then we go back to modify because now this is its own tile. And then you do this and do that. Oh, but then don't you also need something here? No, right? No, it's fine. You don't need that. Surely you don't need something here. You Shouldn't, okay. Well, that's good. Okay, and then go here. I need to do it from the other side as well. So we'll move this around. This will be here. I will copy these two. And then I simply flip horizontally, okay? And go here. We then make it a new tile. Select this one. Go over here, flip it. Oops. How do I flip? Edit, flip, rotate, flip horizontal. Okay, that's good. And then you go back to this one, and bop it, twist it. Okay, now that's good, but then I do need to update. I do need to change this. Because I need to have it be consistent tiling. Okay, and then I simply, I do this, and then I copy this one over there. I think that looks good, possibly. And we save it. We have re-imported the assets. Look at it, it's so convenient. You don't need to, you can flip and rotate. Yeah, I could. But then I think the dots will be, it'll look a bit strange, I think. Right, because the dots will not be tiled the same way. Welcome, Walker. Wow, so true. Imagine developing games. Imagine making art for video games. Wonder how people make tile sets these days. There's different options, perhaps. I think this is good. Okay, we save it. We have these things here. A-Sprite, it is nice. I do like the A-Sprite wizard. You can automatically import stuff. All right, so then now we have this. I do need to add. I do need to configure them. Go to terrains. We go to, how do we do a tile set? You go to tile set. You go to setup. You click on these to enable them, and then you go to paint. You go to the physics layer, you paint the entire thing. Oh, it's copied over. Okay, so we can just flip it. How do you flip this one? Yo, it's that easy. It's that simple, guys. I would like this one to be a square, so we add a thing over there. It is not doing it. That does not work. Why does it not work? Guys, edit points, add. I would like to add. Is that not there? What is this? Can I like delete this? What have I done? Can I undo this? Move points? Nope, I don't want to do that. Reset. Oh, you could just do that. I've made a triangle. I know. I just thought it was good. Okay, there we go. That's good. It's all good now. This one's the wrong way though. That is the wrong way. Let's delete up. There we go. You could just right click to delete. Can I make glasses a power up? Cool shades. No, you can barely tell them. It's such a low resolution. You can barely even tell. All right, we have our tile map. We go to our tiles. Add this stuff right there. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that. And then we need the tiles the other way as well. We got to start having these tiles. And then this, I guess, is where I probably should learn about Godot's terrain stuff, right? Whatever that thing is. Oh, look, this looks so much better. It looks pretty good. Yeah, auto tiling. That's what it is. Wow, hey, what happened with this? Hold on. The other direction is wrong. It does not work. Go back to the tile set. What? This one got reset for some reason. Did I not update this? What? Okay. Oh, this is when you're drawing it? I don't know. This should work though. For some reason it got reset. Okay, this looks good. I think it does look a bit too smooth though. Like when you compare this thing to this one, the texture is a bit straight. Yeah, the downslope. I mean, I guess it makes sense because like gravity, you know, going up it's a bit slower. Gravity is helping you go down. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I think I need to like make this a little bit less uniform because it is a bit too smooth. You look at this one, it's got, you know, it's not all like that. It's like this. So it's got some of this stuff going on. Maybe I should also then have some that go down slightly more. No, that's too much. Is that too much? I don't know. Do this. We could do this. No, I think that's too much. What if we did this though? What if it was like that? Auto tile is called terrain. So true. I was watching many videos about it. It seems quite quite cool, but also quite tool. It's literally a tool that we use. And then look at this. We save it, and then it's immediately reflected in the editor. It's literally. I can't tell. Does this look better? It looks alright, I guess. I don't know. The other one was like too smooth. This one seems. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine. No one's even gonna notice, right? Or maybe it's because I have too many bright tiles, right? Because this one, it's not on all of them. It's only on like 4 of them. So if I simply just if I simply did this. Oh, I think it's also because this one connects with this one. So it's got 4 in a row, and that is maybe too much. Maybe like this. Maybe this is good. Save it. It's imported. Nah. I don't know. Whatever. You know, who cares? Who even cares? Obviously I care, right? Because I'm like, you gotta think about this stuff. Okay, what if it was like, what if it was like this? And then like this. And then you had this one over there. And that. So rusted. Whatever, you know, whatever. This is fine. I can always adjust it at some later point. Okay, so we have grass going this way. Let us commit our changes. Always make sure. Always be committing. I've been pressing the wrong thing. What have we changed? We have changed many. What is this? Sprite. What did I change these files? Why is it saying that this is? We have changed the mode of the file for some reason. Is it because I'm editing this on Windows? Oh, whatever. It's fine. Okay, we have this stuff. We've added an action which we have not actually used. Let me remove this for now. Change the mode. Why is the mode different? I didn't change the mode. Old mode, new mode, 755. Can't believe this. Okay, we've changed things. We have a new physics layer. We have the middle ground tile map has been updated. We've added 2 new lines for some reason. I would like to not have those 2 new lines committed because it's kind of messed up how Godot doesn't have like a built-in formatter. The way I was doing it is since I was on my own computer that I don't stream from, I have installed GD Format, which is a third-party tool that formats it for you. You were like, I'm going to change the mode of the file? No! Why would he do that? I can't see what I'm typing because I'm doing this to OBS. Okay. Git status. Oh god, there's so many files changed. Git ignore was updated. Git attributes? What did I... Git attributes? What did I change in Git attributes? Oh, the permissions. Can I like undo the changes? Okay, check out add-ons and also Git attributes. Wait, also icon? Everything was modified? All the modes were modified? Git add dot dash capital A? Does that not commit the mode changes? This probably doesn't matter to anyone. Git commit don't commit mode changes. Use VS Code with Godot built-in Git. I've never really used Git for my UI. Don't actually know. Alright, let's see. Git ignore. Git commit ignore file mode. Is that a thing? Git config core mode file mode false. Okay, I will try that. Me neither, only because VS Code tries to force me using Git for some reason. Oh, that VS Code. Okay, file mode. Okay, that looks so much better. Okay, we've updated things. Git status, git commit, add sloped tiles. Okay, that looks good. Alright, let's learn about terrain. Now, none of the videos that I watched explained vertical terrain. All of them have just been like horizontal and or sorry, I mean diagonal terrain. Is that a thing I can do in this? Let's learn about terrain. Godot terrain 2D. Terrain tile sets. I'm gonna add wall jumping. I could theoretically. Possibly. I don't think it would be that hard. Right, there's already built-in functions to detect whether you're against the wall. I think it would entirely be possible to do that. Is it just me or do these pixels look bigger? They seem misaligned. Is this not pixel perfect? Bro, what is this? Maybe I should remove, here, I should remove this thing. I think this one should not be here. Okay, it doesn't reload. You have to actually rerun the game. Wait, but that looks worse. Never mind. Disregard that. I guess this thing needs... Oh, maybe? Okay, this one, it's because on this side. It's needed on this side, but on this side, it's like over there. Is that true? Is that even real? Wait, no, it's not. What? Oh, it's because this thing... see, this is why you need the tile stuff, because then you can add the tiles here as well, and then you can check what this looks like against the thing horizontally. Okay, click on this thing, then simply just welcome Shovelhead. Have I started the fishing minigame? No, that is not a thing that I think will be in here. Okay, see, this is what the issue is. It's because of this. Let's move the blue over here. Let us then do this. Okay. We got these ones. We gotta check what they look like. No, I guess this one would never be next to one of these, right? It would be next to this one. Why is this one even next to this? This should be using that one. It looks like a cookie. Yeah, that's definitely something I also thought about. Anyway, I'm gonna drink water. It is 6 p.m. You make sure that you also hydrate. That was part of the song, by the way. I hate the fact that they have that in the song. It sounded like something just like got unplugged. It was loud, right? What are they doing? Why would they put that in the lo-fi BGM sound? Messed up. It's like the opposite of lo-fi. Okay, let's see. What do we got? Let's go back here. Okay, what the issue is that this thing is too close. It's because... Wait a second. Okay, I should move this around. It's because this one should not be over there. Okay, this one should... Oh, it's because we never seen this before, because this tile was never directly next to one of these. Wait, that's not true. It is. No. It's no, no, it is. It is. So we should be updating this one. This one, move this over a little bit. You don't move all these over. Does that look better? I think that looks better. Okay, so we have this one. This one should be there. Or maybe... No, yeah, there I think is fine. I got this one. This one could be over there. We should also have... we should put this one here. So we can check what they look like. It's very cool. It's quite cool that they have this functionality. I think it is very useful. As a game developer. I'm totally a game developer, guys. I'm literally making a game right now. I've made no games, therefore I'm a real game developer. As we all know, most game devs don't actually make games. They just watch tutorials and don't actually release a game. And so that's me. Okay, I think, did I forget to copy something here? This one should be there. And then this tile is here. Right, because I changed these on those, but I didn't move these ones over. So that's good. There are game developers and publishers. There's people that do both. There's people that do it all. Literally all of it. Alright, we have this. I did not update this one. Sorry, I meant to do this. It's good when you get passionate about moving single pixels over. I would not say I'm passionate about it. I just think that it's good to do so. Okay, let's see the changes. Tile map. Status. We're even gonna fix up, okay? Because that previous one, I don't want to have these in my history. Git fix up is not a built-in command. It is a custom alias that I have. It simply combines the current thing with the previous commit. Okay, we're here. It works. Okay, let's learn about tile sets. Now, what is it called? Terrain. Terrain. Create auto tiling, terrain auto sets, whatever. Auto terrain sets, auto tiling. I sound passionate about it. Can't believe this. Okay, there's a tile set, tile map layer. Create a new terrain set with the tile set resource. Okay. Terrain set. Terrain, add element. Terrains. Mode. Match corners and sides. Match corners, match sides. I don't know. Terrains. Add element. Terrain. I will call this dirt. Dirt. And then we add the element. Select mode, click tile, unfold terrain section, assign terrain ID. -1 means no terrain set or no terrain, which means you must, what does that mean? I don't know. Okay, now we have this. Then what? We have terrain. This looks very complicated. Configure terrain, you go to the tile set. And then setup. And then select, wait. What do you do? Select select this guy. Terrains. Terrain set -1. No, you gotta paint it, right? You gotta add. You have to paint the terrains. Terrain set. Didn't I name it something? Did I not save it? Terrain set 0. Should it not just be dirt? Terrain sets. Terrain dirt. Where's the terrain I just made? Terrain set 0? Alright, whatever. Terrain set. Oh, wait, why? How do I rename my terrain set? Is there a way to name this? Maybe not. Okay, terrain, dirt. We start coloring in the dirt. Match corners and sides. Okay, and then can you set, how do you, hold on. Is this the same? This looks different from what I have. Is this an outdated 4.4? Wait, were there changes in 4.4? I'm using 4.3 right now. They literally updated a few days ago. This guy's not even on the newest version. It's outdated now. Alright, terrain. Terrain sets. Tile shape, square. You add an element within the terrain set. And then configure terrain peering bits. What does that mean? Terrains peering bit, select terrains. Terrain set. Why do I not have those options? Terrains peering bit. What? Assigning properties to tiles. How did they set? How did they paint the terrain though? Go to paint. Oh, you just do this. Okay, so then you choose which one of these you have the dirt on, and then you simply then, oops, how do I get it to not do that? why is it doing this? Okay, I don't know why that happened. You click there, you click these ones, and then you click these ones. Okay. So now we have our terrain set. We have set the dirt. And then how do I then start painting with it? Terrain set. We have painted many a thing. If I go to the tile map, and then what? And then what? Oh, I didn't even paint these ones. Did I? Terrains. Terrain set 0. I did not paint those. Let's go back to our tile set. I accidentally updated this one. So we go, oh god, what did I do? Go back here. You paint these. And then you paint this one. Okay, those are all there. These are all here. The terrain has been painted. And then what? Tile map. Dirt. Oh, shoot. This is wrong, though. This is wrong. But Now, wait a second. That's kind of cool. Wait, it does work. Wait, oh, what the frick? Yo. Wait a second. So if you paint this, it just makes the slopes for you. Okay, but how do I fix this? Why is that happening? Why does that break? I don't know. It could be painting. Now, is it because I don't have anything there? Tile, hold on. Godot terrain slope. Fix slopes, that's not what I meant. Terrain, height map terrain, terrain slope. Godot terrain. What is this thing called? It's terrain, but there's like an auto tiling. Godot auto tiling. Slope. Godot 3.4. This is 3.4 though. I need 4. I need version 4. Using slopes and auto tiles. You've been blocked. Oh, because I'm on VPN. It's like, what the? I got blocked from Reddit. No, it's because here it is. There's my public IP. All right, Reddit. What do you got? Using slopes and auto tiles. This was 5 years ago. It's probably outdated by now. Or maybe not. Stumbled upon problem with using auto tiles and implementing slopes. Welcome home, M. Seneca. You can see a screenshot. Oh, they have a similar problem, I think, maybe. I've set up my auto tile correctly, properly. Including slopes in the current auto tile is undesirable. Because I don't need slopes every time the tile is on an edge. I want to be in control of slopes and not mess up my already established auto tile. Different auto tiles can interact with each other. If you add a script to it, that seems too complicated. Tile map and auto tile terrains tutorial. Tile set terrain slope and multiple terrains per tile. Yeah, look, this is what I want. I want something similar to this. You have to use a script technique. Okay, it seems like that is what they want. Script technique found in this video. What is this video? New script. I will call this autotile, autotile.cs. Open the script, but this is in C#. It's a different language. That's probably very similar. Okay, we go here, tile set. So you have to extend tile set. Is tile bound? This seems complicated for something like this. Man, very good tutorial. Please continue. Thanks. Hey, this is the guy from Golden Sun. Remember that guy, the Earth genie or whatever. Making slopes with auto tile is hard. I'm glad I found this tutorial. I'm working with Godot 4 which uses terrains. Seems terrain is a property. Okay, so this is not. This is like outdated, I guess. Welcome, Vexed Vivian. The genie, the gin. The gin, isn't that the drink? The gin? How do I do this now though? This is presumably, this is for 3.4. And I want a more recent thing. Is this even doable? So like, this is kind of cool though. But like, this is not cool. How do I undo that? Let's go to our tile set. Is it because I have... No, I unset this. This one, why is this one there? Shouldn't it not be there? Whoops. What did I just do? I clicked on the background. Go to the middle ground. We go here, we paint this. What happened? Oh no. What did I do? Select, paint, select. Oh, tile map. That's what I was doing. So like you click on the dirt and then like why does that work? If I do this, if I do that, and then I do this. I don't understand. What? Actually, this is kind of nice though. I kind of like how this grass bleeds over to that. I didn't even think about doing that, but that actually makes perfect sense. Okay, but then how do I do it? How do I set this up? See, I don't like this. I don't like that I was doing this. How do I undo that? How do terrains even work? So my understanding, possibly, of how they work is that when you set the terrain, it will look for neighbors that have like a filled in thing here. So then this thing, it looks at the tile below it and it says, I need 3 of these filled in. And then it says, okay, I have this for you. But why are these getting picked up? Because these have an empty tile there. And doesn't that mean then that it should not be on the bottom of this guy? Welcome, Delicious Smile. Can anyone even explain? Does anyone even understand video games? Godot. Can't do this. It's like this. This looks good. Or does it depend on the direction? He doesn't even know. He doesn't even know where. Oh, is it because I click? Wait. What? I click on this guy. This looks good, but then what? Is it because if I click? Oh, it's because I can do this and then it looks good. What if I did this? See, like this doesn't match. But what is this? Why does this then do this? I don't understand. If I put this here, and then I put this there, like that. This thing, I don't like that thing. Why is that happening? Also, I didn't even put a tile there, right? I put this here, and then it's like automatically creating those on the side. Is it contiguous? Is that what it is? Contiguous? I wish it would tell me what this means. I feel like Godot is usually pretty good about that. When you hover over something, it's like a tooltip that's like, here, this is what this thing is. But then contiguous, I don't know. What does that even mean? Contagious? No, contiguous. Path mode. Paints a terrain, connects it to the previous tile painted with, oh, within the same stroke. Is that if I just put them separately? No, that still does something. I don't understand. I don't get it. I simply lack the understanding thereof. Okay, what about this one? Connect mode. Paints a terrain, connects it with surrounding tiles of the same terrain. The same terrain. What if I disable contiguous mode? What if I then, if I just do this? See, why did that not add grass to the top? This makes no sense. Godot auto tile. Godot slopes. Godot using slopes in auto tiles. Anyway, this probably doesn't matter. I could just make the map manually. Different auto tiles can interact with each other. Yeah, where's all the Godot developers? Godot 4 basic tile map, auto tile. Okay, but like none of these have tiles that are sloped. That's the thing. Everyone just has tiles like this. Where's the slopes at? What is the algorithm? Maybe it doesn't work. Maybe you're right. Maybe you are correct. And that I was a fool for assuming that it would work. Oh wait, what if maybe what I gotta do here is that I have to add a thing there. Could that be it? Welcome Pork Foo. Because like this thing does connect with... Wait, does it? I don't know. Hold on, well, let's try this. What does this look like? What does this even look like? It does not look good. It's 2020. You unsubbed? Bro is not even subscribed to a list. I can't believe you would post the emote like that. Here's what it was supposed to look like. Okay. Welcome, Choco. Aren't you on vacation? Are you back from vacation? Also, welcome, Gex. List smile. He posted just the words. She's back. Yo, welcome back. Choco, if you were in a video game, what kind of game would it be? I thought you look like a waffles. Waffles? What does that mean? A game, right? Look at this. Gaming. You can push against the wall. You could be jumping. Roguelike deck builder. What if it was like Jump King? A game similar to Jump King. It would be in a beat 'em up. So yeah, I think those are complicated games. Do not put her in Jump King. What if it was Jump King, but it was a dog? Jump Dog. What if Choco J Dog was in Jump King? Choco may be back, but she will never be front. What do you mean by that, Hampro? What does that even mean? Just because the words are opposites. Okay, you have resubbed to a list. Now you can post the email you meant to post. Can you post a list smile, please, so we can all see? So we can all confirm. What is that? What is this? I don't even know what that is. Mota. Oh, Moda. Motor. Motor. I know who that is. That's the smile emote. I have so many smile emotes. Look at these. Look at these. I got this one. I got this one. That one. Carl smile. Mouth smile. When did I have mouth smile? Also, mouth smile is Northern Line. It may be a mouth emote, but it is Northern Line's face. All right. Turns out I don't understand how this stuff works. I don't get it. But like this looks good, right? I mean, this doesn't look good. What? It should be this. It should be that. Okay, what if I were to edit this in such a way that we delete... Wait, why is this set up? Wait a second. Was this always like this? Should not be like that. Was that the issue? No, it was not like that before. I don't know why I ran the game. Oops, oh god, what happened? Tile map. Dirt. Click on the dirt. I don't know. I don't understand. Those are your smiles. Choco J smile. Choco J D smile, I mean. And then Clavio smile, and then there's that one. Kirana smile. Mota smile. Fia Me smile? What is that one? You don't even know who that is. Also, why didn't I not post this one? I have this one. For some reason, that one didn't post. That's a good smile. Smiling. Karagi smile. Oh, Karagi. Remember when Karagi? I remember. I know some of these emotes. What is that one? Fiame 1. Remember when Karagi. Man. Oh, they do. They're kind of, yeah, Ragnarok Online had good emotes. I thought those were quite good, actually. Well, I don't understand this, so it's fine. I just don't understand terrains. But maybe no one really was meant to understand them. You ever think about this? That perhaps no one is even capable of understanding. Sus. What is that emote? Sus? I knew it! Sus! I literally knew it. A small moth was flying in your office and you killed it? Well, I don't know. I can't really say anything about that. I've killed many small moths before. There's a lot of them. There's so many of them. It's way too many. They're just eating all my clothing, you know, as clothing moths tend to do. Why are they doing that? Why would they be doing that, man? Streamer admits to killing bugs. Unbelievable. Okay, well, we have slopes. Welcome, props not Jack. Tile map. Tile set. I really would like to learn how this works. So, what if it was like this? If I set it such that, hold on. Godot auto tile slope. Can we see some images? This one. What about this one? Complex. Oh, but this is tutorial. This is 3.2. See, this is how it's, wait, do you see that? How did he do that? How did bro do, see, do you see that? To put incline in, first thing you need is a tile map. In the tile set, I have one tile set. It's tile set 0. Apartment complex, I find it quite, actually, they are pretty complicated. Sometimes when they catch flies, I put it in a small glass container, seal it, keep it until it gives, you're suffocating the flies? I can't believe this. Okay, so this has code. You gotta be writing code, okay? Writing software. Okay, so they have this, right? This is how the auto tiling works. And then how does he add the slopes? Set cell. If slant tool. Cell. What is slant tool? That is a thing that he has set. He has enabled that in his settings. Incline tile vector. Oh, he's chosen the coordinate value of the incline. And then what? If get cell vector x y is this, then you do this. Muffin, why would you say that? You're not allowed to say that. That's like a, you're claiming to, whatever. I don't know. It's like when people say they try to imitate alien language, and then it's like, are you allowed to say that? I can't believe this. Okay, so you can, it turns out you can extend a tile map, and then you can have custom logic to write tiles in certain ways. Alien noises. No, that's an alien slur. You can't be saying that. Actually, I think I remember. Didn't Nino Egan get like banned from Twitter temporarily for like saying go Zorp yourself or something. She responded to a comment and it was like, Zorp yourself, and then she got suspended. Can't believe that. Does anyone remember? You can't be saying that. Welcome, Carabelle. Lord. Tile map. She doesn't even remember. Zorped. Okay, so they're explaining that you can set a cell. Oh, what if you can you like choose a tile in the editor? Can you like, okay, so they have it here so that they choose their incline tile, but can I make that like a selection in the UI? Is that possible? Godot export tile export types. Export types. Is there one where I can like choose a specific tile that I want to be slope tile? Welcome, Kari Karipanko. Okay, we got the slope direction. Radians. Nodes. You can have a node. Resources. Bit flags. Exporting. Godot export tile. Tiled? No, that's not what I want. To choose a specific tile. Maybe it's not possible. Is there a way to tag your tiles? Man, I'm like this. I don't even need to be doing this. I should be making a game. This is what happens when you develop a game. Is that you get all into this like optimizations. You're like, oh, what if I set up auto tiling so I don't have to like, you know, manually draw these in-betweens? And then it's like you spend like an hour doing that when you could have just done it manually. It would have taken like 5 seconds. No, let's move on. Okay, let's do something else. What did we add? We added terrains. So relatable. As we all know, ChocoJax has developed many games. Okay, so we have this. Oops. Get status. Get diff. We have terrains. Attempt setting up terrains. Failed attempt at terrain usage. Alright. Put some temporary fixes. Yeah, never actually fix it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add is going to be thing. This guy uses -am. Do you not use git commit -am? Okay, we're gonna add an action button. -am, why not PM? Because that is just how it goes. Okay, I don't make the rules. Okay, we can press the X button to perform a dash. This will be the new thing. If input is action just pressed. See, okay, this is this fills out these things for you, but for some reason it doesn't do it for sprite animations. Git add all and then commit. Can't believe this. I guess it's because I always get status before I do it, so I know what's going to be committed. That's just, you know, maybe I'm just built different, okay? Okay, if the action named action is just pressed, then velocity dot x plus equals 40. Let's just try this, okay? Let's see what that looks like. It does not do anything. Oh, actually, it moves you a little bit. It needs to be more. What about like 300? You did not know about AM. Well, now you know. Oh, look at this. You can dash. Wait. Okay, you can only dash to the right. You are only allowed to dash to the right. Let's add velocity plus 500. Yo, you see this? Yippee! Alright, I think that is not a good action. Maybe I don't have dashing in this game just yet. At some point, maybe, but for now, we would need to make it a little bit more complicated. Remove all movement to the left. There are some games that do that. Those games where like you have to unlock abilities, you know? Move to the right and then it's like, you have unlocked the ability to walk to the left. And then you do it, and then it works. Alright, what about game dev? What kind of game do we want to make? Do I want to make? What game do I want to make? Obstacles. We'll have obstacles. They will spawn. See, okay, are you seeing this? Doesn't this pixel look squashed to you? These look uneven. What's the deal here? What's going on? It does, right? I thought I had pixel perfect. And it's not. It's messed up. That is messed up, man. Window size. It's messed up. That's messed up. Whatever, I'll figure it out at some point. And by that I mean I probably will never figure it out. Because that's how these things go. That's how they happen. Alright, the next thing. What if we make platforms that we can jump from below? That's a common thing in video games, is that you can jump through them from below, but not fall through them from the top. Now the question is, what will this tile look like? That I would like to know what tile it would be. Let's see. How do people do it? What even would that tile look like? It would be like something like up here. But then if you have floating platforms, what would that even be? This one here. Oh, clouds, so true. Welcome, Wishy Wishy. No, but then wouldn't that be, that'd be like if you're in the sky. There has to be something for like lower down in the ground, right? Because like, why would I have clouds over here? Literally down there. Platforms with wings, balloons? That's too whimsical. Platformer, one-way tile. One-way platform. What are some examples of these? Let's see. Oh, you can have something like this where like these things are in the background. That's possible. It could be like this. Something like, oh wait, you could just have something like that. I guess it could just be like grass, kind of like this. If I could just copy, you know, just the top part of this grass. Terraria. So true. Here, we could just do this. And then just delete this. Oops. That. And now we have a tile that you can walk through from one direction. Okay, let's go to the tile set. Let's add this one. Setup, click on that guy. And then go to paint. And then we paint physics layer. Go to this guy. Just put blocks floating in the air. Yeah, but then it needs to be distinct from these blocks, right? These ones you can't jump through from below. That's just how it is. That's just how life is. Okay, I would like to reset this one. How did I do it last time? Reset to default tile shape. Okay, and then you move these ones up to here. Okay, that is there. That is good, I think. Yep. And then what? Godot one-way collision. One-way tile. Collision tile map. Tile map collisions. How to apply one-way collision to tile map in Godot 4. Paint, set physics layer, add shapes to the one-way tiles. Okay, they've added the shapes. Collision settings per tile. Go to tile set, tiles select. Oh, and then there's a physics option per tile. Select this one. Go to physics. Physics layer 0. Okay, maybe I need to actually read what they say to do. Go to physics, expand polygon selection. Oh, it was literally there. I just had to expand one more. Oh, and then one way. Okay, okay. And is that it? Is that all it's that simple? It's that easy. It is so easy. Okay, then we go to our tile map. We put some of these tiles there. Yo, it just works, guys. It just works. Now it is very strange to just have like floating grass. Maybe I should not have it just be floating grass. What if I had like, I could have some of these tiles, but like lighter colored so that they're in the background. And then you can put them like over here and then just walk through them. Perhaps. It's like in Mario, right? Doesn't Mario have that? Mario Bros 3. Like this, right? The stuff like this. You can walk through this stuff, but this is a one-way tile. Got this stuff, that stuff right there. But how would I design it in a way that fits with this environment? How does Celeste do it? Celeste. Does Celeste have one-way tiles? Welcome, Orfish. Is Godot the language? It is the editor. The language is GDScript. Although some people, I guess, do just call it Godot. Celeste, one-way platform. Does Celeste have one-way platforms? I don't know. The editor, the language, the ghost, the Holy Spirit. See, I could do stuff like this. But then it's like, it's kind of hard to tell whether this is in the background. I guess they have different colors. Because if I were to make it like, if I were to do it such as, like, if I did it like this, right? You can't really tell that you can walk through here unless I did this. But then, I don't know, it's like kind of strange, you know? I think it is quite strange. And then it's like when you're over here, then it's like, what happens? You just fall off? I guess so. Actually, I guess this looks fine. Probably. Does it look fine? Is this even alright? Really makes you think. Really makes you consider. Godot is the editor. I'm guessing Vladimir and Estragon are the journalists. No, they named it Godot because people were waiting for the perfect game engine. And you're like, we're all waiting for Godot. Well, there it is. There is the perfect video gaming engine for you all. It's there, right there. Okay, what if I have it so that you can walk through these tiles, and then if I wanted it to not be walkthroughable, I have like another version that's like, it's got like an outline like this, and then you know that you can't walk through it. Maybe that could be possible, perhaps. Is that why it's called that? Yes. I'm pretty sure it is. Why is Godot engine called Godot? Waiting for Godot. Chosen. It represents the never-ending wish of adding new features in the engine, which will never get closer. Is that what it is? You're waiting for Godot? But here it is. Here's Godot. It's literally there. Godot. Godot. Go. Okay, I guess I could have it. Or what if I had grass on the side? Is that even real? Do people even have grass, like, on the side of these things? Is this even possible? If I simply had this. That looks weird. This doesn't look correct to me. No. Wait, actually, maybe it's fine. Doesn't Mario have that? Super Mario World? It's a Super Mario World. Have grass on the side? No, it doesn't. Oh, but it does have the outline. Wait, but then you can walk through these. So, like, that doesn't make sense. How do they do it? Why is it that you can walk through this, but you know instinctively that you can't walk through this? Welcome, Crazy Kitty. How goes Godoing? It is going. It is Godoing, I guess. Really makes you think. Like, how do we know? Surely, like, they have collision built over here, but this one doesn't. Are they just manually putting it there? I don't know. I don't even understand. No one even understands anymore. Well, you know, maybe let's delete this one. How do you, in Asprite, how do you delete these tiles that you've added? Is there a way to delete this? Click on this. Sprites, what is it? Layer, delete. Because, like, I think if I just delete it from here, it stays over there. Delete key. You were so right. I feel like they should have right-click menus, though. I think that's logical. Is that it makes sense to me. Is there also a way to reorder these? If I want this one to be perhaps before, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Now, let me save this. Okay, the tile that I just had is now gone. Now it's like, hey, these tiles don't exist. You can't be having these here. True. Let us select these and delete them. Alright, we got the tile set. This one, what does this mean? It's gone. Can I delete this one? What does this say? Clear it using remove tiles outside the texture in the 3 dots menu. Which 3 dots menu? This 3 dots menu? This 3 dots menu. Select setup. This one? This one. Okay, so I think I will paint it so that this tile is walk-throughable. Let's have this one not have anything. This one has no collision. Put that there. Okay, and then we adjust it so that so that this tile is one-way collision. Yes. Okay, now we have this. You can now jump through these. Did I just fall? Wait, hold on. What the heck? Oh, it's because I had the logic for slope tiles. I guess that also applies to this, which I don't want. I don't want that to happen. So we go to our player character, and then we go to the setting that I changed that I forgot what it was. Floor, was it? Floor? Stop on slope, block on wall, max angle, snap length. What if this was like 4? Didn't I try that? It looked kind of weird. Actually, no, it's fine. Is it fine? Is this fine? I guess it's fine. Okay, so now we got this. That looks good. You can now walk through these tiles. Unfortunately, that means though that you can also just fall off this way. Can you make him slide down? No. Look, he's ground pounding. He's going so fast. He's blurring. He is blurred. Make him slide down. I guess it's like if you are on slope and you press down, then maybe you could. Yo, what if I add like a ducking animation? I could do that. A ducking thing, and then when you duck on slopes, you simply fall down. How would I code that logic in? Also, what does it mean to stop on slope? What if you don't stop on slope? That seemed to make no difference. Stop on slope. Constant speed. Constant speed. Oh, is this like if you walk up and go faster? Oh yeah, that's what it is. Constant speed. That is, if you're walking up a slope, you don't slow down. What if I disable it? Oh, I see. I do want constant speed. Looks good. That looks good. No, that's a goose. That's not a duck. That's a goose. What is block on wall? Yeah, true, the body will only be able to move on the floor only. This option avoids to be able to walk on walls. What? What does that mean? What do they mean by this? Oh no. Oh, I should also make the slope tiles one way. I think that would make sense. Let's go to the tile set over here. Let us select these tiles. Also make them one way. This one way. This one. This one, I guess it doesn't need collision, right? Does it need collision? I don't know. Nope, I meant to jump there. I was supposed to be jumping. I can't jump. Why can he not jump? So you're here. Nope. Okay, I need to add, let's add a platform over here. Tile map, add this one. Have it going this way. Yeah, what about that? Okay, so I need to remove collision from that guy. Go to the tile set, we go to this one, we paint it, and you simply just do that. It's that easy. It's that simple. Look at that. Clean, so clean. No one even understands. All right, well that's good. That's quite good then. Then I guess that means that we can't really have just walls that block you. Unless we added some very specific type of wall. We need to have one that has like grass on the side. I think that would make sense. That would make so much sense. Alright, let's add side grass. Y'all, it's side grass time. What's the best way to do it? Well, it is easy actually. It is actually quite simple because you do this one, you add the tiles here. You select this one, put that over there. And then you gotta have the same ones on this side. And then what you gotta do, you click on this one. Okay, and then you start copying that over. You do the same thing for this side. And then you disable this setting. Okay, why was this one copied over as well? I don't know. No one truly even knows. I certainly don't know. Let's copy this one, put that there. Okay, now we start drawing grass on the side. Actually, is there like a way so that I can have like this dot pattern? Is that like if I have that on its separate layer and then I want it so that if I draw on top of this, if I wanted to adjust like the dots here, it would update them on all of the other tiles as well. Is that even possible? Any Sprite experts in the chat? Does anyone even know? No one even knows things. Times have changed. People used to know things, and now they don't even know. No one is even aware anymore. What am I trying to do? See how I have these like dots here? But then I have like these ones on top. Basically, these tiles are just the same as these tiles, but they have like grass on top. But then I want it so that if I update this here, it'll update them on all the other ones. Like these ones as well. Is there a way to do that? Because like this is a tile map. But then like I want the tile map to also have layers so that this is simply a layer on top of the existing other thing. I don't know if that's possible. If not, that is also totally fine. Surely it must be. It's gotta be, right? It's gotta be. They cannot have that. They would be missing so much functionality. Layered tile maps are very popular, right? Everyone's saying this. Literally everyone. Even Jeff Bezos is asking for it. He's like, where's those layered tile maps? And then we go, so true, so true. I have not used tile maps much. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna drink water. It is time to hydrate. Alright, I've hydrated. Everything is good. Everything is quite good, actually. Okay, we could have this here. What is the best way to do this? Because, like, I don't want these highlights to be on this side, right? Because that's like, you know, the light is coming from above. Yo, I could have grass. Wait a second. I did that by accident. But I could have, like, grass, you know, like this. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, but before I do that... Oh yeah, you could have flowers. Actually, have you seen Jelpy? Pico 8, and that's not even a... Jelpy Pico 8. They have simply... that's not what I meant. I went the original one. The real Jelpy. Why is the original Jelpy not here? Jelpy test. Jelpy test. Look at this. What do they got here? They got many things. Jelpy real. This is Jelpy. Look at how cool this game is. They got flowers, they got grass. You can explode into things. Oh, and then you die. You could particle effects and everything. This was all in Pico 8. You got trees with lemons on them. You can die in this game. It's got music. Collectibles. It's got grass in the background. Look at that. You have invincibility. What more could you ask for? This is literally the goated game of all time. They got a mountain in the background. Flowers. And that's it. That's the entire game. It's literally the end of the game. That's Jelpy. We have Waiting for Godot, Boku no Pico 8 game engine. What's next? I don't even know. We don't even know. Society has not advanced to that point yet. I feel like this doesn't look good. Something about this just does not look good. But why? But why is that? Is it because I don't... What if I just copy this and rotated it? If I just copy this, pasted, rotate... Oh, how do I... Edit, rotate. Rotate counterclockwise. What the... I thought I copied and pasted. Copy, paste. Rotate. And then I put this here. And then I simply just do this. That looks actually really bad. That does not look good. Why doesn't that look good? That looks bad. Why does that look bad? Why instead of looking good, it looks bad? Is it because of this? Wait, why is this color? Oh, wait, what? Huh? Is that normal? What? I copied this. It's there. This doesn't seem to match. I didn't have... Oh, it's because I'm copying the wrong... Right, I meant to copy this one. Bro, he doesn't even know he copied the wrong thing. Bro, okay. This should be the better one. Rotate counterclockwise. Put that over there. And then all you gotta do is press the wrong button. You gotta be doing this stuff. Alright, does that even look good? I don't know that it does, actually. No, it's fine. It's probably fine. Surely everything is totally good. Nothing wrong whatsoever. Okay, then we do the same thing, but on this side. Do up, edit, rotate, counterclockwise. So then we have that. Okay, we have that, and I think that is good. I guess we don't need these ones, right? Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, then we do the same thing, but then on the other side. It's that easy. Copy, paste, edit, rotate 180. Why did it not rotate 180? Edit, rotate 180. What? Rotate. That is, was that not the same thing? Is rotate 180 broken? What are they doing? Okay, put this one here. And then do this one. This menu is very old Apple OS looking. No, it's a sprite. It's literally a sprite. It's the goated program that everyone uses. Everyone knows a sprite. Alright, and then delete these. You don't even need those. I guess we have this then. Wow, there's so many tiles here. Wait, oh, I was making a new tile for everyone. Oh, shoot. Can I, like, delete unused tiles? Is that a thing that I can do? Okay, just delete them, and then if they get deleted, then don't delete them. There's some other themes you can switch to. No, I like this one. Why did this? Oh, because then they get tiled differently, right? Is there a way to delete unused things? Tile map. Delete unused, please. No, there's no such thing. We're definitely not using this one. But then that messes up all the indices. Can't believe this. Delete this one. Delete that one. This one. Welcome Alexei. Okay, I think this is good. So that is a set of tiles that we have that I think is quite usable. Possibly. Or what if instead of having grass on the side, it was like darker dirt? If it was like this. If it was like this but better? If it actually looked good? What if it was like this? And then we had this color. And then you have like some of this color. That looks awful. Don't ever do that again. Alright, that's fine. You know what? That's fine. Let's go here. And we set up the terrain. We go setup, we add these guys right there, and then we start painting. We go to reset the default tile shape. Click on these guys right there. And then what? And then you have, you go to the polygon. Select this one. Okay, this should have collision from the top and the right. Is that a thing you can do? Polygon 0? Is there like two-way collision? Is that possible? One way on. Is that a thing? Is that possible? And then I want this one, but I want the collision to be from the left side. How would I do that? Is that even real? Polygon 0. One-way collision. Godot. One-way collision left. One-way collision for walls from left or right. Yo, Maple Story! Holy frick, Maple Story. I remember this. This was the tutorial island. Alright, we have this going on. Collision polygon? No, I don't want that. One-way collisions from the side. No one has answered. Godot one-way collision direction. Yo, it's Maple Story. Change direction of one-way. Here we go. How do you do it? It's not in Godot. They don't have a way to do it? Are you for real? Make the platform separate from the tile map. Change the platform to the static body. What? They really don't have a way to change that? Surely they have that, right? There's no way that they don't have side collision. Actually, it doesn't... No, does that even make sense? Because, like, I guess you would never be in a situation where you would need to walk through from the right side. Right? Because this thing, you know... Okay, let's set that up without this. Maybe that's totally fine, actually. Also, what happened to my other tile? Oh, it's down there. There's a tile over here. It has wrapped around. I didn't realize they could do that. Okay, we paint this one. Alright, let's add some of these tiles here. Let's go to our tile map. We have this guy. This guy right here. And then that guy. Now this is what you could actually use the tile map stuff for. Or the what's it called? The terrain. Let me actually set up the terrain for this one. Tile set paint terrain. Terrain, dirt. Okay, so this one we have dirt over here. This one we have dirt on these tiles. We have dirt over here. We have dirt over there. And let's remove these guys. These guys should not even be there. These should not even be part of it. Okay. So those are there. Isn't that good? Is there a way to unselect these tiles from this? No, actually, yeah, it's fine. Terrain. I was also gonna say that. I was like, it does sound like Terran, you know? but I did not actually say it. Okay, so if we wait, what happened to these? What are these going? Tile set, terrain. Is it because I didn't save? Terrain. We have these terrains. Select terrain. Hey, what happened to this tile? Wasn't there something there before? No? Okay. Tile set. Tile set. It's terrain. That's the joke. The joke is that these sound similar. Duh. Obviously. God, I can't believe this. Wait, why is this not what the heck is this? Why is this not on the left side? Did I set it up wrong? Terrain is still very confusing to me. I don't understand it. So we have this here. We have this is the dirt. It's been painted in. This dirt is there. Is it because I did not set up like a bottom version of it? What if I just did that? What if I simply copied these guys? No, I would like to copy. Here is what I'm going to do, everyone. I'm going to select this. I will paint these guys there. And then I will copy this stuff. Paste it. Rotate it 180, which sometimes doesn't work, but now it did for some reason. Now it does work. And then I will delete these. And then you're like, and then what? What is he doing? What is he doing now? Then you copy this one, okay? You copy it and you move it down here. You do the same thing. No, it should be the other one, actually. It should be this one. We should copy everything but the 3 pixels over there. Copy paste this one. And then copy paste this one. Bam. Simple as that. And then you go here, you go to setup, click on these guys, you go to paint, and all you gotta do is paint that one, and this one, and that one. And then you gotta set up the collision, obviously. You go to your physics layer, you click on all these guys, and that's good. Everything is perfectly good. And now that that is done, you then have to go here. Oh, look, it's kind of working. Wait, is that even good? We have this one, we got that one. All the tiles are there. Yo, look at that. That looks so good. Kind of. Welcome, Cozies. Okay, so now we have obstacles that you cannot go through. Then you have these that you can go through. Okay. You can try to jump from here to there. You can't do it. It's simply impossible to do. But we have now added those, okay? And now, to do that, we can now just do this. Wait, why does this not work now? Wait, what? Did this just work? Oh, because I'm on delete. Oh, this guy doesn't even know he was on delete. Oh, but this doesn't work. Oh, I'm still on delete. Okay, then you do this. Okay, oh, that looks so good. Whoa. An obstacle that you must avoid. Whoa. Dude. It's crazy. That's nice. It's actually nice. Auto tiling. I appreciate it. But then, you know, you also have tiles that are kind of like, you know, if you have it set up in such a way that, let's say you have this, and then you have, what am I trying to say? I don't even know. What I'm saying is I want this tile. This tile right here, it should be, for example, like this. You have this one here, you have this one, you have that one. Is there a way to rearrange the order of these guys so that I have these are aligned in this grid in such a way that makes sense? Actually, I guess that depends on how this thing is scrolled, so maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe it doesn't even make sense. Oh wait, I do have one of these. I do have these tiles. I didn't even consider that I had these tiles. But it's there. It's literally right there. Okay, go to the tile set. You go back to paint. You then go to the terrains. And then you can now fill in these ones. That's not what I meant. I did not mean to do that one. You can't be saying that. Even if you censored it, you can't be saying that stuff. Can't believe it. Okay, this guy is here. This one. Where's my other tile that's like this one? Didn't I have another one? Hold on. Where was the other one? Did I not make a tile like that? There's like this one, right? Where is this tile? Oh. I don't know why this is happening. Why does it do this? It's gone. Did I not click on it? Was it supposed to be this one? Did I delete it? What the heck? Guys. It should be this one, right? What is that one? Where is it? What? Excuse me, guys. Also, what is this dot? What is that dot that's over there? I don't know. Okay, so we have these tiles. This one. What is that one? It's this one. This tile is this one. And that tile. Which tile is that? Oh, it's this one. Wait, okay, so it's right after. Oh, right, it's this one. Okay. Don't even remember. He doesn't even remember. Okay, so we have this. And I think that will make it so that if I draw these here. Oh, it does. Oh, look at that. It does work. Look at that. Why is it drawing the bottom one first instead of the top one? See what? You have to like go over them again. Is there a reason for that? Is that even a thing? Like it's messed up until now, right? What is that? Connect mode paints a terrain, connects it with surrounding tiles of the same terrain. Path mode. What the heck? What if I just select this one? It just doesn't work. I don't understand. Why is it set up like that? Shouldn't this thing just use like the middle tile? Is that not how it works? Like this one, what's going on here? I don't get it. Welcome Jack00. I don't know. This makes no sense to me. Oh, anyway, we have this now. Oh, look at that. Are you seeing this, guys? You can be jumping from platform to platform like no one's business. Alright, we have this. That's good. Let's add some, perhaps, some tufts of grass on the side, on the top. Go here. We click on the grass color with this one, and then you could do this. You could be doing this. Well, it adds so much character to the scene. You're like, whoa, it's like that grass is real. It's like that is some real grass right there. You add some highlights. Whoa. Okay, maybe that's too bright. I think that's too bright. Here, but this one though, right? This one? Is that too high up? I think maybe that's too high up. What if it was like this? No. It should be like over here. There you go. That looks not good, actually. What if it was like this? Yeah, maybe. Possibly. Sure. Let's do that. So we have this grass right there. And then we go back to our tile set. We now add this grass. Okay, you click on setup, add this grass. Grass is now available to be used in painting. Go to our tile map. And we go to tiles, patterns, and click on this guy, right? This guy right here. Bam! Whoa, he's got grass. Various grass is happening. Actually, it does not look good. Why does it not look good? I think it's too dark on the bottom. That perhaps we should just have it be this color. It is very nice that it's like auto imported. The wizard has handled it all for us. Yeah, this stuff is going up. It's good. It's actually great. Okay, go to our tile map. Let's go to terrains. Let's paint this one. Yo, we're making hills. Are you seeing this? You can have hills, and then you go back to your tiles. You can add this guy right there. Some sloped tiles, perhaps. And this guy right there. Whoa! You can be moving like this. Welcome Tag Barrel. For some reason your message is not showing up over there. Okay, so this is there. Why did this tile not get filled in though? I thought I had it set up in such a way that it would put it there correctly. Oh, because I don't have that tile. Because that tile doesn't even exist. Okay. Well, then I have to add it then. It's easy. All you have to do is you copy... Whoops, copy this one. paste it here. Okay, and then go over here and just do the same thing, but on the other side, like this. Right. Okay, so that's good. And then you go back here. You take this one, put that over there, and now you have an entire cohesive area. Everything is perfectly set up in such a way that makes sense. It's good. Save it. Go back. All right, go to our tile set. We go to setup. We add the 2 new tiles. We go to paint, terrains. And you paint in all of these. And so now if we paint this in, oh, look at that, it works. It works perfectly. That's so cool. Okay, I need to add like the horizontal tiles or whatever. A lot of stuff you could do. A lot of things you could be doing. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to copy these tiles. Where will I put them? I will put them here. And then I will go here. I will then I will simply then take this one. Whoops. Okay, exit tile editing mode. Go here. Copy, paste, flip 180. And by flip I mean rotate. So now this is here. And then delete these. And that's good. It might need to be a little bit less intense though. Possibly. No, you know, maybe it's fine. Maybe it's actually perfectly acceptable. And then you need the same ones, but vertically. So we're gonna copy this one. What the heck was that? You see that? I pressed the wrong button. Okay, that was also the wrong button. Copy this one, you paste it here. And then you copy, okay, you also, before I do that, delete these ones. Okay, and then you copy 3 of these, you paste them, rotate 180, bam. All right, now we have many more tiles. Let's go back to our tile set. I was not envisioning making a tile set today, but it works, I guess. Okay, setup, you add all these. All of our new tiles. Don't add these ones. Delete this one. Okay, then you set up the atlas. You go to, how do you do it? You go to paint, terrains, and you paint these ones right here. This tells Godot that these are the inside tiles. Okay, those are all there. So now if we do this, it should just do this. Oh, look at that. And then, oh, it looks so good. Wow. That's great. Okay, so this is going to be like a rabbit. Oh wait, but then I need another one that's like... It's got both of these. Oh god, there's so much. There's so many tiles to make. How do people do this? How are you even supposed to be doing this? This is too much. Maybe I will simply just not have tiles like this. Have tiles like that. You could do this. Oh, and then you need to have tiles that do this? No. No, ain't no way. There's no way that this is happening. Oh, look, it's like a hat. It's literally a hat. Alright. Oh, I didn't add collision. Did I not add collision to these guys? Looks like I did not add collision. I totally forgot to add collision. Tile set. We go to paint, physics layer, and then just add collision to all of these guys. Actually, I guess we don't need it for these guys, right? How do I unpaint? Clear. There. Okay, now these should have collisions. Yes. You can also push against them. Now, okay, this animation does look a bit weird when like the hair isn't going through here. That's fine. It's actually probably totally fine. Okay, but I'm gonna have it so that we have a thing over there and also over there. And here. Yes. It's looking pretty good, actually. Look at that. Tiling. You could be jumping. You could be jumping out here. Alright, what else could I do? I think that's it. That's all. This is the entire game, everyone. The game has been completed. There are no enemies. There are no objectives. I'm just kidding. But this is pretty good progress. I learned about tiles. Learned about terrain. I still don't understand how to make slope terrain. But maybe I don't need to. Maybe it's actually totally fine. Alright, so let's see what we changed. We set some one-way tiles. We changed the map. Floor block on wall. What does block on wall even do? Player. Block on wall. Floor. Block on wall. Max angle. Snap length. Moving platform. On leave, add velocity. Collision. Safe margin. Wait, what is this safe? What if I add a no safe margin? Maybe I should not do that. Let's not do that. Okay, let's save this. We've added more tiles. One-way collision and more tiles. All right. Very nice. Very cool game. It is kind of weird just to have like this thing floating up here. Strange setup. But surely it works. This grass also feels a little bit out of place. Is it maybe because it's like too tall? Maybe it needs to be like brighter. Maybe it should be like this. It should be this grass. Okay, I think that does look... Does it look better? I don't know. It looks alright, I guess. All right, pretty cool game. Let me save that. Let me also fix up. All right. I think I should also add some different colors for the sky, because it is just a single color right now, which is kind of boring. So let's do that. Oops, I pressed the wrong button again. All right, so this one will have, like, you know, what about this slightly darker sky? No, is it? It's already the dark. Okay, let's get the lighter sky then. How do people set this up? I would like for it to fade between the two colors. So to do that, what we would do here is I would have, oops, what would happen here? We put this guy here. Oh, didn't mean to do that. And then we have another tile here. Okay, this one is going to be, I'm going to do some dithering perhaps. It's going to be like, no, it should be, it'll be like this. We'll have 2 here. Or maybe like this. Maybe it'll have some lines like this. And then, you know, if you stretch it out over several tiles, maybe it looks good. No, maybe it doesn't look good. Maybe it was never meant to look good. What if we have this though? If you have a dithered value here, and then you move this one down, and then for the one up here, oops, you fill it with this color. That looks pretty good, I think. Maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe it actually looks awful. What if it was like this? It doesn't even make sense. It's not even logical, man. I think that's fine. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, we go back to our tile set. And this will be the background. Go to the tile set, you enable these two. And then you simply just go here. We'll add a line going across. And then you have the brighter color below. You can simply use this tool for that. Whoa! That doesn't look that good, actually. It actually looks kind of weird. Why does it look weird? Well, it's because it's just how it is. That's, you know, sometimes that's just how things are. Okay, now what if instead of doing that, we used the darker color? What if it was like this instead? And then we use this color. No, and then we used, and then wait, isn't there a way in Sprite to do dithering automatically for you? I'm pretty sure there's a dithering brush. Dithering tool, how do you use it? Oh, you have to make a brush for it? It's not like built in? There's no like built-in thing for this? Pattern fill? Is that what it is? I don't even know. Oh, there is. Wait, gradient tool? That's not the same thing at all. Wait, it's Kind of. In some ways. It's not what I want though. Alright, I guess I will manually do it. Anyway, everyone is thrilled. They're thrilled to know that this is working out. Okay, we have these colors. Does the sky get lighter? I'm wondering if I have this reversed. Is this supposed to be the other way around? Is that actually the lighter part is up top? Sky. Just look at sky. I can't tell. I guess it's low. It's lighter below because that is where the horizon line is, and that's where the sun is coming from. So I guess it makes sense. I don't know. No one even knows. No one's even aware nowadays. You're like, where? Where are they? No one's even aware. Let's try this. What does that look like? Yeah, I don't think it looks good. Doesn't even look good. Didn't the Brachy's tutorial have a sky similar to this one? Brachy's 2D Godot tutorial. Oh no, it was slightly different. Wait, they have the lighter one. The lighter color is above. Is that why mine looks weird? Or is that normal? Is that normal? Does anyone even know? Sus. Okay, maybe I should flip this then. Well, I feel like I should make it so that it fills up the entire thing so that I can simply reverse the direction with if I want to. Here, let's do this. And then we have this one. It's going to then be on the bottom. And then, okay, they've gotten rid of that tile. But then we select this one. And then we make it the lighter color. There. What does this look like? Everything is wrong. Everything is messed up now. I have misconfigured everything. Alright, let's paint this one this. Let's go here. And put that one there. What about this? No, I don't think so. It might be because it's too low down. I can move everything up. How do I do that? Select all? Nope. Oh, why is this window so big? What the heck? Oh no. It's a life. Resizing windows. Does anyone even understand? Does anyone even know what it's like resizing windows? Okay, let's move all these up. Now, I think maybe this looks better if it's higher up. I think it still looks bad. Maybe it's fine. What if let's try reversing them again. I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. Let's put that up there. Let's put this one over here. Oh, now it's so dark. It looks so dark though. So way too dark. Okay, I can simply then make the lighter version. I would simply copy the color such that it is lighter. And to do that, I will expand the size of the image. Canvas size. Let's increase that to, I don't know, what's a good size? 128, perhaps? There. No, no, that's too big. What the heck? What happened? What happened there? Canvas size 128. Height 128. And then it's there. Why did I do that earlier? Does anyone know Sprite? Alright, so let's go here and select these guys. Move them over perhaps. Just move these over here. Move this guy here. Okay, then we have, you copy this, put it up here. We have then a lighter version of this. Let's go here. Let's go to this one. So we want to switch between this one and this one. There's probably a faster way to do this. I don't actually know what it is. What if it was this? If you could do this. No one even knows. All right, and then you simply paint this one in like that. Okay, I have saved it. Let's go back here, go to our tile map, tile set. Enable these two. All right, then you can paint with them. Let's see. So I think perhaps this one should be on the bottom, right? Let's move all these down. Whoops. Should be perhaps like over here. All right, and then you fill in. You got the top portion is this color, and then you have the middle color over here, and then you have this one. Is there a better way to do this? I don't know. All right, got the neutral sky. Okay, this, I think this looks a little bit better. Probably. It probably looks better. I should maybe add some clouds. You know, someone did suggest earlier to add clouds, and I said it'd be kind of weird to have clouds this low. But I think it would make sense. It seems totally logical. That would be something that I could add. Well, it's good. He just wants to add fog. What if instead of fog, it was frog? What if I added frog? Okay, we will have these here. These ones. You have these platforms right there. And then delete these. Cloud on ground level is fog, but what if it wasn't? Have you considered that maybe it's not? Alright, we got this one. That's good, right? This is totally fine. Oh, what if it was like, oh, look at this. Welcome, Jose. This looks quite weird, actually. This looks quite strange. I don't like that. Let's undo that. This one is probably fine. Alright, I think that's fine. Anyway, I should end the stream soon. We have accomplished some stuff today, I guess. Maybe not that much stuff, but it's something. I learned about stuff. Background, you copy this stuff. Move it up there. You wanted to ask me something? Well, it's too late. I'm ending my stream. You can never ask me anything ever again. Ever. What I think between MetaQuest 2 and 3? I mean, I have the 2, it's fine. I feel like if you're gonna get one, you should probably get 3 though. Because I don't know how long the 2 is gonna be supported for. But I mean, the 2 works fine. If you just want something that is, you know, a cheaper one, would I get the 3? I don't play VR enough for that to make sense for me. But if I did not already have a 2 and I was considering getting VR, I would probably get the 3. Support time can expire. Well, I mean, eventually, right? Because like the Quest 1 is like so old now that they're probably not releasing games for it anymore. Anyway, that's going to be it for the stream. We've accomplished some things. I mean, they are still releasing games for it. I just think like when developers are making games, they're targeting, you know, the newest thing for VR. Well, for the Quest, if they're making Quest games. And some of those games might be too powerful for the Quest 1 to support. And then eventually the same is probably going to happen to the Quest 3 or the Quest 2. Probably the 3 eventually if a 4 comes out. Anyway, that's it. Cool, good stream. A lot of things have been done today. What do we do here? We add, what even is this? 2 divided by 0 equals 0? What does that mean? I don't know. Add sky colors. Add gradient sky colors. Alright, do I want to close all tabs? I sure do. Ooh, what the heck is this? Is this Venice? What is this? Amsterdam? This is Amsterdam? This looks really nice. Anyway, that's it for today. Let's see what day it is. Let's rate someone. Right here. Imagine how exciting this is in summer. True. Yo, cereal day. Fish fry day. Ben day. Dress in blue day. Middle name pride day. Tartar sauce day. Sock monkey day. If you shut down the PC, how are you speaking? Oh shoot, I'm not supposed to be speaking. Oh, my computer's off. I can't believe this. I'm streaming from my Mac, actually. Alright, let's do National Cereal Day, maybe. Is there a cereal emote that isn't Hamflow's one? National Cereal Day. Wait. You could be posting this. Is there cereal emote? No? I don't know. If there was a cereal emote, what about like a bowl and then milk? Is there a milk emote? Emoji? Sorry. I don't know. Alright, who do I raid? Who am I gonna send you to today? People who are streaming things. Oh, there is a bowl. What is that? Yeah, there's a bowl and milk. Okay. I'm gonna send you to a channel somewhere. What if I look for software and game development? I mean, L:Q is streaming, but I already rated him, like, recently. Okay, so who do I raid? Who am I gonna raid, huh? Who's out here streaming? Yo, Wolf is streaming? What if we raided that guy? What if we raided that fellow? Oh, what about this person? I know this. I've seen this person. Taijiro, he has like the interesting OBS setup, I think. I've never actually seen his stream, but I have seen him on Twitter. Let's raid. You know, that's the thing we do on game dev streams, programming. I guess I will tend to send you to another channel that is also doing game dev or programming. Anyway, that's gonna be it. I will be back tomorrow with some good old Variety Saturday. It will be a stream, it will be happening tomorrow. I'm gonna look for some games to play, and then I will play the game. The games even. Multiple games. There's gonna be so many games. You're gonna be like, whoa, only one game? No, there's like tens of games. Dozens even. Possibly even millions. Do you think there's a million games out there? I think so. Actually, I don't know. Are there a million video games out there? I guess there are a lot of, like, small video games. They don't have to be, like, you know, big AAA releases. A million. How many games do you think there are total? How many games could there possibly be? I don't know. Anyway, the raid is gonna go. I will see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. See you.